Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy your code with GitHub Pages, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To deploy your code with GitHub Pages, start by ensuring your project is in a GitHub repository. Navigate to your repository on GitHub. Click on the Settings tab near the top of the page. Scroll down to the Pages section on the left side menu. Under Source, select the branch you want to deploy from. Usually, this is the main or master branch. If there's a root option, ensure that is selected. Click the Save button to confirm your selection. GitHub will now build your site. Once it's complete, copy this URL, it will be where your site is live. Make sure your project has an index.html file, as this will be the entry point for your website. If you need to add or modify files, use Git to commit your changes. Push those changes to your GitHub repository. After a few moments, return to your GitHub Pages URL. Refresh the page to see your updates. If your site does not appear, double-check that your files are correctly structured. Ensure your index.html file is in the root directory. Your site should now be successfully deployed and live on GitHub Pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.